Hey, what's up guys? We are back again dito sa aming channel. So this time nagyapon mi diri sa cemetery no, nagtiwas mi aning casement or French type na awning window. Yang ubos ani o yung babang bahagi nito is fixed po siya. And then meron pa rin po yung French type. So yung ginamit nating aluminum dyan is 1/2 by 1 na rec job. So pakita ko sa inyo yung option natin. This is the best alternative sa SOBC. Mas mura po siya. Ito po yung 1/2 by 1 na rec tube. Bali dinikit na lang natin ito guys using a silicone. Dahil nga po may frame naman po siya na aluminum rec tube. 1/2, I mean 1 by 3 and then yung pa horizontal and then yung naging division niya is 1 by 2 na. So like I said, yung naging option natin, this one is much lesser if you compare sa presyo po ng SOBC. And then yung process ng pagkakabit ng SOBC is medyo mabusisi, kumbaga if you really wanted to install it very clean, yung 0-0 talaga. So this time we just cut it according sa kanyang measurement. And then kumbaga tinumbok na lang natin guys. Yung una nating nilagay is yung babang bahagi or yung pa horizontal, and then saka natin sinunod yung pa vertical. So yung option natin dito is syempre magagamit tayo ng silicone. So pakita ko sa inyo yung magiging pamamaraan natin. So tinikit ko na pala yung 1/2 by 1 na rec tube. Yan po yung naging result niya. So dry na po yan. Dahil nga po it will take time if dito nyo po ilalagay yung mga rec tube na 1/2 by 1. Sige be, palihog ko be. So yung gamit nating silicone is color block. Mag-a-apply lang tayo ng konting silicone dyan. And saka natin ipapasok ito guys. So that's it. So after natin madikit yan, saka tayo mag-a-apply ng silicone. Claro que. So that's it guys. We're done. Ayan. So naka-economy tayo ng almost 50 pesos per length. So yung na-consume natin dito na 1/2 by 1 rec tube is, oh my god, 1/2 by 1 rec tube is 11 lengths. Bali including po yung sa door. Bali maglalagay pa tayo doon ng ganito pa rin po French type window. So that's it guys. Sana may nakuha kayong konting idea related dito sa ating ginawang installation ng awning window and French type design. So sa mga bago lang sa aking channel, please do subscribe, and then huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-like and share itong video na to, at mag-subscribe na rin po itong aking YouTube channel. Bye bye for now. Have a good day. God bless everyone.